We found a gold mine in our car.
Yes.
Tell them what happened earlier.
Alright guys, so the rewind button is right here. I was trying to catch a flick real quick and I freaking hit the damn rewind button and messed up the
Well, you know what the good thing is? That car that you tried to take a picture of isn't going anywhere.
Yeah. So the car I was trying to take a picture of, it was like it was a Mercedes, like an old Mercedes at a like a mechanic shop on, what are those things? Like on whatever. So I just thought, oh, it'd be a cool photo. But
yeah, what do you call those things?
bricks?
No, a lift thing.
No, it was on bricks, babe. Okay. So
wait, did you ever tell them that you got this camera though? Because
no.
I feel like...
Oh yeah, so
okay.
This is the Canon SureShot 105 Zoom. It's from 1997. I even got the owner's manual, the original owner's manual from it. We got the little zoom button here. Wait, hold on. Let me turn it on actually. Sorry guys. So we got the zoom button. And basically it's just a little point and shoot, you know. We can go to auto, we can flash, no flash, do whatever you want. So I'm gonna take a picture of these cars over here and see what we come up with.
Can I stay in the car, buddy? Oh man, I can't even see him. Ugh, wait! Sir, hold on. Okay, go ahead. Love the stance. Love it. Person in the background's probably like, what the hell? I feel like these are kind of Riverdale vibes. Look at him, look at him.
That one's fire. It even has like cactus and all that. Fire, thanks for using your phone.
Beware of dog, get in! Just kidding. This is... oh yeah.
Alright, so I hope those photos come out fire. I feel like they are.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's like hell zoom. So yeah, I got it in this. Freaking came out to like 30 bucks, I think. Came with the OG owner's manual, like I said. This little carrying case. And yeah, that's it. That's a little point and shoot little guy I just got. Of course, we're still gonna shoot with the Canon AE1, but the Canon AE1's more so for like product shots or, you know, just stuff that I really want to like focus on. But with this point and shoot, it's literally just that, just point and shoot, super fast, gets the job done. Just
I think
like this type of shit, like, you know, like on the run real quick. But with the AE1, it's like, you know, you really got to set up for it and shit.
I feel like we're in the 90s with these. You know how our parents used to take pictures and stuff of random things, like a napkin on the table, and then it's like vibey.
Yeah. So that's why. So like with this, the Kodak Gold, this is what the majority of people used to use in the 90s. So this is why when you see these type of photos, 9 times out of 10 people used Kodak Gold. So that's why when you see Kodak Gold, it gives you that feeling. So that's why I use this, because that's the feeling I'm trying to capture. And I feel like I should take a picture of that cactus alone, but I don't want to step on nobody's property. So I'm not.
The dog might go after you.
Yeah. Alright guys, now we are at IKEA. Surprisingly, it's not to shop. It's to shoot these Plant Kia shirts. My shooter today is the one and only. Alright, so
Right here.
yeah, the entrance.
Right here.
What you mean? Well, I mean, we could do the entrance as well.
If anyone wants to know, this is our afternoon pick-me-up. Go. Oh, you're pouring it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you were pouring it. Whoop. Okay, this is where we are. We've never been here before, so I don't know what to expect. John's never heard of it, right? Okay. Let's go this way. Oh. Hi. Sure, it doesn't look like we don't need a mask or anything. Here. It smells like freaking cheese.
Can't smell anything. Okay. So this is definitely some fire settings we could use for pictures. Wow. Oh yeah, this is perfect, babe. Alright, do it. Right here. Alright, BRB.
This is crazy. Oh, I'm talking to myself. Look, babe. I know, I saw earlier. Get. Wow. This is great. Oh. Oh my god, he's coming out. He's coming out. He wants a photo. Would you like a photo? Would you like a photo? There's so many of them in there.
Alright, now you guys got me. Look at these little guys. Oh, they're a couple. This place is fire, man. This might be the new photo spot. Might not even share this video. I'm giving y'all too much game right now. This is crazy. I wonder if they ever come out here and like go over there somewhere or something. Bro, these koi fish are huge. So relaxing. The sound of water. That's one thing I low-key miss about Florida, is rain. Cue the cinematics in 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's actually not a crop top. It's tucked in to my bra. It's a life hack. You don't have to cut your shirt. Just tuck it in.
All right, last photo destination is our secret, not so secret beach. I forgot what this area is. I think it's Redondo. Yeah, Redondo Beach. We're gonna shoot this shirt. That's gonna be the last shirt we shoot. I have one more shot left. There's South Bay. One day we'll live up there. All right, y'all, are y'all ready for this beach? I don't think y'all are.